Welcome to this video on sets and functions, presented by CAIE. In mathematics, a set is a well-defined collection of objects, represented by capital letters. Elements can be anything: numbers, letters, or shapes. Elements in a set are unique, and their order does not matter. Elements are enclosed in curly brackets and separated by commas. We use the in symbol to show membership and the not in symbol to show if an item is excluded. Some common sets include natural numbers, integers, and real numbers. Sets can be represented using the roster method, where elements are listed, or the set builder method, which uses a defining rule or formula. Sets come in various types. An empty set contains no elements. A finite set has a countable number of elements, while an infinite set has an uncountable number of elements. Equal sets contain the exact same elements, written as A equals B. Conversely, unequal sets have at least one different element, written as A does not equal B. Equivalent sets have the same number of elements even if the elements themselves differ. Disjoint sets share no common elements at all. A subset is a part of another set. Every element of the subset is also in the larger set. Notably, every set is a subset of itself, and the empty set is a subset of every set. A proper subset means all elements of A are in B, but A and B are not equal. A superset, denoted by a different symbol, occurs when all elements of B are contained within A. The universal set, denoted by U, contains all elements relevant to a specific context. All other sets within that context are subsets of the universal set. A power set is simply the set containing all possible subsets that a given set could contain. Operations on sets include the union, which combines all elements from both sets, and the intersection, which only includes elements common to both. The difference of sets A and B includes elements in A that are not in B. The complement of a set consists of all elements in the universal set that are not in the specified set. A Cartesian product creates ordered pairs from two sets. An ordered pair specifically identifies the position of elements, where two pairs are equal only if their corresponding components match. Finally, a Venn diagram uses overlapping shapes to visually represent logical relationships, similarities, and differences between groups of data, named after John Venn. In this video, let's look at an example of a Venn diagram. Here, set A consists of odd numbers, while set B contains numbers that are 6 or more. The diagram helps us visualize which numbers fall into each category. To complete the diagram, we place numbers appearing in both sets, 7 and 9, in the central overlapping section. Numbers unique to set A go in the left, while numbers only in set B are placed in the right section.